Hey guys, welcome back to Faith for Keto Kitchen, and we're going to continue our series of 12 days of keto. And today is the 6th day, which is 6 geese a laying, and I'm sure you guys know that. But we're going to do a quick and easy recipe, which, since it just sounds right that they will be laying eggs, I'm thinking, instead of just laying down, we're going to do an easy stuffed egg that is in my new upcoming cookbook, Faith for Keto Kitchen, titled, but of course, Making Keto Delicious, because that's what we do here. So let's get started. So what I did already in advance was cut open well, first of all, I boiled 6 eggs. Then I sliced them open and I put all the yolk inside this bowl and kind of mashed up really well. What we're going to add to that yolk bowl is a half a cup of, I like to use the avocado mayonnaise. You can use Kraft mayonnaise, any kind of mayonnaise that you like, your favorite mayonnaise, but a half a cup to those 6 yolks. We have a 4th cup of spicy cheese. So this spicy cheese is pepper jack cheese, and I cut it up really small, or you can use some shredded, gives it a little more of a kick. Also, we're going to have a teaspoon of lemon or lime juice. I like lime juice because this is called our Tex-Mex stuffed egg. Say that twice really fast. Tex-Mex stuffed eggs. I'll forget it. Anyway, it's our Tex-Mex stuffed egg. So we got that lime going on. We got 2 teaspoons of sriracha. We have 2 teaspoons, 1 to 2 teaspoons of taco seasoning. Any taco seasoning of choice, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder, okay? So we're gonna just get it all in a bowl with this eggs, and I'll show you how to do that. So basically, you know, like with any stuffed egg recipe, you can add as much mayonnaise or less as you like. Some people like it like really thick, and some people like less mayonnaise. Like my husband likes less mayonnaise in his, but this one is like a perfect recipe to me because it makes the egg nice and creamy and delicious. Let's get our sriracha in here. Like, have you guys ever had a spicy stuffed egg? I mean, I know they're called deviled eggs, and I just like to use the word stuffed instead of devil because, you know, ain't no devil in my food, just saying. But anyway, we like to have it like, I like spicy stuffed eggs. I like, I know, like different seasonings in my egg just to give it a little bit of a kick or a change. So this one is really yummy, guys. Let me move our little egg caps over here. And this will be good for like a dinner party, like as an appetizer, guys. Because, you know, sometimes I get tired of this, you know, the same old egg that's just plain, you know. And sometimes I like that. But I like a little bit of a kick or some fun twist to my egg. So what kind of eggs do you guys like to make? You know, do you like the traditional stuffed eggs with just mayonnaise, a little bit of mustard, a little bit of salt and pepper? I like this one because it also has that taco seasoning, which is a surprising flavor. But when you bite into that little bites of cheese in there, it makes it really good with the combination, guys. So that's all blended up. And sometimes I'll use my hand blender to make it super creamy, guys. So let's get this all mixed up completely. Right? Okay. So what I like to do as well, guys, is get a piping bag. And if you don't have a piping bag, I just put over a big measuring cup or a bowl, a plastic bag, you know, Ziploc bag. Just make sure that the tip is in there first. Then we're going to fill the plastic bag, it's kind of like a piping bag, with the egg mixture. It just makes it easier to fill each one up. But if you don't have that, you can just use a spoon and just top them off with a spoon. But I just like to squirt it in there so it just makes it easier to distribute it. Let's get all that in there. And of course you can double this recipe, as many eggs as you like. All right. Let's get that on here. Get it all in the corner, just like if you're piping icing or something, guys. Same concept. So I like to get a nice platter. I also have this, you know how they have the platters with the little divots in it for the eggs? Well, I like to just use a pretty platter if I'm going to platter up or plate up these and serve them like today. Actually, I'm making them because we're watching the football game tonight. It's Monday night football. So I'm plating them up so we can have our gathering. So unfortunately, one of my eggs broke, but that's okay because I can still eat it and put it together. So that's going to stay there, guys. So right now we have 11 eggs. Although it is, like my daughter said before, you should go by the count, which is today is 6 geese a laying. I could just make 6 eggs, but we're just going to go with the egg part, the geese, the laying of the egg. So all you have to do is just fill them up, and I'll let you know how they taste, guys. So all you do is just kind of put some pressure in and fill them up. Come on through that hole, yeah. Super easy, guys. So these recipes, so they're all stuffed, and this recipe makes the egg super stuffed. This will be the leftover that will go inside the egg that broke, and we're going to taste it with this egg, okay? But it makes a lot of filling, guys, so let's give it a try. That's good. It's tangy from the lime, and it's a little nice spice backdrop from that sriracha and the taco seasoning, guys. Super delicious. Definitely, I would definitely serve this one up for the holidays, guys. It's Tex-Mex and it's delicious. I want to shove this in my mouth, but I'm going to sign off, and before I do, definitely give this a thumbs up if you like this video. Super easy, quick making recipe. And subscribe to be a part of the family, and definitely hit the bell so that you don't miss out when I upload new videos. So I'm going to finish eating, and my name is Rosemarie from Faithful Keto Kitchen. God bless you guys. Have an amazing week. I love you guys. Bye.